How many of you know about Paul Edos? He proposed Edos number. Edos number was a number which gives you the distance between a particular author whose name you want to search and the Paul Edos. Means how much distance the author possesses with the Edos. What does it formally means? It means that a particular paper published by, for example, in Disasters had published one paper with John Rice, which has co-authored with Anupam Joshi. Then it has further been co-authored as Lalan Kegel, and which was further been eight paper co-authored by Timberley. So that Timberley and Disasters have a distance of four, means they are four authors apart of each other. Both are very big scientists. Discasta's algorithm was famous, and Timberley was famous for WWW, World Wide Web. So these authors are separate and four distance apart from each other. In between these are the three persons who came. So they are four distance apart from each other. So this is what computation of distance from between the two authors, and that helps you to calculate the ADOS number. ADOS number is basically distance from a particular author, say Discastas, and you want to search with the Paul Edos. So you can directly write his name, Paul Edos. So what should be the distance? So the distance was like 4. So Discastras has a distance of 4 with Erdos. Who are the co-author of Disasters? It's Leslie Lamport, one of the famous scientists in the world. Then Ellie Gaffani, then Nathan, then thereafter Paul Erdos. So the distance of 4 is making Erdos number of 4 to Disasters. So this is how co-author distance computation works. And this is what actually Paul Erdos had defined, and this is why it has been said and famous for Erdos number. If we formally define Erdos number, then Erdos number basically describes collaborative distance between mathematician Paul Erdos and other persons, whichever you want to search. So it's an measure of mathematical measure for measuring paper of mathematics with Paul or Erdos, and this is what is definition of Erdos number. I hope this was been clear to all of you. So one example project that could be possible with the Paul Erdos number was like there was a non-determinism while calculating the Erdos number, because there could be multiple authors possible which are having the same name. So this means that the node which is be intermediate in between the Paul Erdos graph could have multiple author names as in the intermediate author list, and they could be been having non-determinism, and there could be confusion because it's very difficult for automated system to recognize that it is getting the correct co-author of a particular author, and out of the multiple author with the same name. So there you need to study this non-determinism with the Paul Erdos number because of the multiple authors possible with the same name in between the graph that you plot for the Erdos number calculation. I hope this project would be interesting for the students and they'll try for this.